Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the USAG Racing Roller Cabinet with Assortment for Maintenance. 495 MC. This cabinet is engineered for efficiency and durability, featuring a non-scratch aluminium worktop and a robust wooden layer underneath. Need organization? With fully opening drawers on telescopic ball-bearing slides and a centralized locking system, your tools will always be secure and accessible. The assortment contains tools like screwdrivers, hex keys, pliers, socket wrenches, and much more. Shock-resistant profiles ensure longevity, while oil-proof rubber mats protect your contents. And with a maximum loading capacity of 1,000 kilograms, this cabinet is ready for any challenge. Upgrade your workspace with the USAG Racing Roller Cabinet, where functionality meets style.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.